Hi, actually this video is all about how to set up a bullet journal. In this video I'll show how I set up my bullet journal 2020. I'm a person who likes to write down everything in my notepads. I have different types of notepads for that. It makes my life always easier and makes the things to do in an arranged manner. I bought a spiral book for my bullet journal. This is a minimalistic bullet journal where you can find less number of items. Every bullet journals are different because it depends upon their lifestyle. We can set up and plan our bullet journal according to our needs. You can add some motivational quotes in the beginning of your bullet journal. It will always inspire you. Keys are an important item in your bullet journal. It includes symbols which indicate some actions. In my journal, a dot represents some tasks which I have to do. A strike represents the task is completed, and a star represents an important task. Like that, you can also represent different types of keys. Next is you need to write down the 2020 calendar. That means year at a glance, and also you can write down or mark with different colors of sketch pens the important events, reminders, etc. Next is month at a glance, and you need to write down each month in a detailed manner so we can track everything in each month. In this journal, on the left side, I write down all the important events and the tasks to do in this month, and the expense tracker on the right side. Like that I do for all the months from Jan to December. I always like to write down motivational quotes because it inspires me so much. So I make some pages free for to write the motivational quotes. I like to read books. This year I plan to read more books. So I add a habit tracker for reading. So next section is study goals. If I need to learn something new, I can write down here. A gratitude section is here for to reminds me to be thankful for what I have. You can also set up a simple bullet journal like this. I have an art journal also. This is for to write down my YouTube ideas and art updates. You can also make these type of journals and it will make your life easier. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for more videos.